Each namespace can be linked to any number of processes. For example, we can connect our contractor's namespace to contracts, invoices, or correspondence. Let's take a look at how to do this. We'll start by adding the contractor's namespace to the contract approval process. Open the process and click the gear icon in the lower right corner. If you're not an administrator or the owner of the current organization, this button won't be available. Click Edit to open the process creator. Now, let's add the contractor's namespace to the Add Contract form. Namespaces are added to forms as extensions. Fill in the extension label field. Next, select the appropriate tile that represents the namespace extension type. Specifying the display value identifier is necessary if you want to use this field in the display value extension. In the onChange URL field, you can enter a URL that should be triggered whenever the field's value changes. We'll leave this field empty. Choose whether this namespace should be required on the form or not. Leave the non-editable sections as they are. Non-editable fields are useful only when the value is provided by a button action or an external service. In the namespace extension settings, you can also define whether the extension should allow multiple values. In our contract approval process, if we assume that a contract can apply to only one contractor, we leave this setting as it is. However, if a contract may involve multiple contractors, selecting Yes will allow the user to choose more than one contractor in this field. From the list of namespaces, select the appropriate one and click Save. Each newly added field is placed at the end of the form. Let's now move the contractor field to the beginning of the form. The contractor's name, address, and TIN have already been included in the contractor's namespace, so they aren't needed on the form. Let's remove them. To publish a new version of the process, go to the final activity and click Next. Select Publish and confirm by clicking Yes. From this point on, all new tasks will follow the updated process definition that includes our namespace.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us in the next episode.